vlog. We're going to the beach.
My hair.
And I just dropped her phone trying to start this.
And then she didn't pick it up.
She's giving us weird looks.
No, okay. So we're waiting to go in the car.
We're waiting because apparently we have to be the last one.
We'll go.
She want that.
Okay, guys. So we're going in the cab. Can you move your biggie bag? No, I need to charge my phone. So like,
Elena, move your big back leg.
Elena said Jacqueline's so sweet. Yeah.
Because
We're gonna eat some brownies. Yummy. Okay, it's like a brownie bite.
Oh my gosh!
Okay,
So I didn't realize it was not recording. Mukbang. Mukbang. It's okay though, maybe you can have a salad.
You're telling me to have a salad and you're having brownies?
Yeah, I am.
You're not doing anything. Okay. We can only use one word though.
Okay, we're using one word and we're playing like the letter game where you have to make a conversation, but it has to make sense.
Can I go first?
We can only use one. Sure.
Amazing.
But
Can dance
everywhere.
during
Okay, so you're on F.
forever. Farting. Actually, that doesn't make sense.
Okay, forever. Now go. Wait, F, G, so you're on F.
Forever. Gagging.
Helplessly. Is that a word?
Yeah. H-I.
So you're on F.
Helplessly and Jamaica.
J, K. Keys. Jamaican keys.
Stop with the keys.
Killing.
Lemon. Money.
So it went from killing
To
lemons. Killing lemons.
To money.
Money. So
Making.
nothing.
Obviously. Peeing.
Quacking.
Wait, so obviously quacking. Doing the vlog. We're going to walk on the rocks. And we just saw everyone, so yeah.
And it's so high tide and everyone's cramped.
Yeah, the tide is so high, so we're waiting like an hour to go
Slanted
swimming.
on rocks. Like everything is like in between
it's
little
so
rocks.
It's like up to the end. It's like where there's a barricade.
No, it's
so
actually crazy.
yeah, we're gonna wait for my mama, but then we're gonna go climb on the rocks.
Okay, we're going.
Yeah, we're going.
Okay, my glasses are drying.
Here, it's so high, so high. Hey, there's
Okay, don't get the people in the background.
My bad.
Actually,
The tide is so high. We're just climbing.
Shimon, it doesn't matter that much, just like try not to get them.
I know.
And if we have to, we can just float.
There's like. Elena.
My mom told me this one.
Oh my gosh. Oh, shorts. Oh, shorts. I guess.
No, it's giving you school. Do not say that.
Hamburger.
She's struggling.
I'm struggling so bad.
Just rock for like an hour.
We literally shut up. I love this.
We've been here for 15 hours, guys. Oh, guys, it's stunning. Stunning. She's touching sand. Forget about touching grass. I need to touch the sea.
That was actually so much fun, you guys.
It's not.
Make sure to like.
She's getting mad because we're not waiting.
I know.
Okay, guys, because we're cooking. That's where we started. over
Okay.
there.
Okay. We're going down. Elena and I was crashing out at them because they weren't waiting for me. 'Cause I'm so scared right now. Like actual water, and I know we're at the water right now, but we don't have our swimsuits on. So we're gonna go like actually swimming, and like in like an hour or like 40 minutes. And then we're gonna eat dog cake and drink water. So yeah, so pretty. We just went down there and I slipped. So we're going back up. Just like fall, Jacqueline, please don't fall. Oh my gosh! Jacqueline! Guys, what is going on here? Come on. Take my hand, okay.
That was hard.
So no more, okay, we're not going any farther. It's so pretty though. Bro, she dropped her shoe and then she cut herself. So this is going great.
It's okay.
Guys, we made a candy salad and we don't like this.
Show the candy salad.
Yeah, it's so gross. It's okay.
Show it.
Yeah, it's so pretty. All 4th of July themed. And our mommies. I got the pink slush and
I got orange kids.
And this tastes like exactly like Fanta. And this one's like the watermelon flavor, which is like my favorite ever. Anyways.
Good. Okay. Just got back from the beach.
Backing. We're gonna go eat some food when we get back. Oh.
This is the state of our hair. Mine is nice and smooth after doing conditioner. I put it in braid, but it failed. So this is Siobhan's. I'm trying to take out my hair. It's not working. She put the bubble braids in as you saw earlier, but not working right now.
My hair, it don't move.
And Jacqueline, she's
I don't know what's going on with her hair. Okay, go.
Oh my god, that is burning!
Hello? Ow! Y'all need to turn it Yeah, Siobhan, turn it that way.
Why wasn't it that hot before?
Because she probably turned it more.
Now it's cold. Hold on.
She's struggling.
Technical difficulties. Oh, we did the same thing, right? Okay, that's hot.
Okay, oh my god. Y'all, it's been 30 seconds of you guys struggling. Okay, go. What is Elena doing?
Really wet your hair.
It's too hot.
Stop. We need to really wet.
Oh, it's on 0.5, that's why. Oh my god. Now it's like zoomed in.
We're going to get 2 squirts of shampoo.
2?
Then you're going to really rub it in.
That's okay.
Ow. Rub it in your roots. Like that.
Okay, so
And then like use your fingers. Like what do you think I'm doing? Just going.
Elena, your elbow's in the shot.
I'm over here. So we're going to. I know I look gorgeous.
Okay, now we're gonna come back after she's done scrubbing.
Okay.
Alright.
Once it's ready, it's gonna go in your
Siobhan's
eye.
bald.
It's ready. You're going to wash it. Give me my brush. Give me my brush, honey. Thank you, honey.
No, Siobhan, brush it while the shampoo's in it.
Thank you, honey.
No, Siobhan, you're in the water.
Out
so
of
the
the water.
Get out of the water. Okay, we're back. I already finished my Alani. Yeah, it was really good.
What?
Because I drank it.
Yeah. Where's my brush?
This is what I hear in my ear.
Happy 4th.
Okay, my frog.
Guys, I'm so thirsty. Wait, I need a Gatorade.
You want red Gatorade?
Yeah.
Wait, it's red, white, blue.
Okay, guys, we're going swimming now. Soon, at least. We're not going yet.
Well, we're walking to the spot.
Wait, just climb the wall.
Actually, I don't even know where the hole is. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, I'm scared for my freaking
Okay,
foot. It's definitely gonna hurt for a bit, and then it's gonna like
shark.
be like, oh. Okay, wait. Let's put our stuff down. What the heck? Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll see you in a sec.
Go swimming. Yeah.
We'll come back when we come back out, and then we'll like film more. Okay, bye.
Playing with the sand.
Yeah, probably.
Okay,
bye, bye. Poop. Guys, help. She thinks this is aesthetic. We have to catch up. They're going too fast.
It's trailing behind.
Ow, my foot hurts. I have to get used to water again, bro.
You're trying to manipulate me. Stop manipulating me.
We just finished our stunning
Wait, it actually
pictures.
took like 7 seconds.
It didn't take too long, but we were baddies. No, baddie divas.
Yeah, we look like divas.
Yes.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, can I see the pictures?
Oh my god. Okay, me and Jacqueline just like, our legs just randomly started stinging out of nowhere. Like, we were stepping on rocks and then stinging. Like, we didn't feel anything. We just like felt some stinging and then like ran out of the water. And there was just a firework that just shook the entire earth, bro. But me and Jacqueline, nothing's wrong with Siobhan. It's just me and Jacqueline. I don't know what's happening. Two things have happened to me. I don't know what's going on though. It might be like there's a glitch in the matrix, I guess. There's a glitch in the matrix. Do you need like I don't know what to do when you get a jellyfish sting. I hope the thing from Friends isn't true. No, I swear to God. The thing from Friends. You have to pee on it. No, but that's actually if you guys got stuck. Her, she couldn't walk and she's stuck. Can we like shower? Yeah. Okay. I don't actually know what's going on. Mine doesn't hurt terrible, but Jacqueline's is hurting really bad. So we don't actually know what's happening. Unless my pain tolerance isn't bad. Or I'm just... But yeah, it like stings a bit. And I'll be right back. Okay, so there's currently fireworks. Okay. It's currently, I don't know, actually, it's like 35-ish. My stinging is gone. Jacqueline, are you still stinging?
Yeah.
She's still stinging. I found a beetle on me. It's really scary. We finished showering and like doing our hair and stuff. Jacqueline's taking the phone.
So we've had to film on 3 different phones for this video because Siobhan's ran out of storage. Elena's is about to die, and now we're on mine. Okay, we got dessert. I got cookies. We should literally do a video of what we eat in a day.
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
She's sitting by herself.
Oh my god.
I saw you say that ugly ducking.
The ugly duckling.
She's the ugly.
No, she is. That's why we. That's why she's sitting alone.
Yeah.
Record. Okay. Bye, y'all. sitting there eating more of the candy salad. And then this one's just sitting. Hey, gorgeous. But I'm really, really tired.
I think I got burnt.
We can tell. Wait, let's check my tan line. Oh!
Look, it didn't change.
No, yes it did.
Hi, divas.
It changed. It's just me.
Ooh. Oh my god, Elena just said we should call you guys Bluey, so we're gonna call you guys Bluey. Hi, Bluey.
She just screamed at the top of her lungs. Siobhan, you have to go take a dunk. Imagine. Guys, the saxophones are genuinely getting louder. Do you hear that? The saxophones are literally getting louder.
No,
The fireworks just ended.
And the saxophones just started.